Okay, we're trying to make a fire. Motherfucker. Okay, ready, ready.
What?
Yes, we got the fire.
Do we need to put this on? Put it down?
Oh, ew! I smushed this dog food!
Yeah.
That's so fucking gross.
Yeah, and this is our fire now.
It's dog shit with leaves.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh. Get the lighter. Get your lighter too, and then
Wait, you need to make this like not obvious that we.
I don't know if the video's done yet. What? I think we still have a minute and 9 seconds.
Okay, wait.
We need something like move that shit around though.
It's like 15.
Oh, it's like dog shit.
Huh?
Okay, it doesn't look like a fire anymore.
They won't give it to me. I tried.
That doesn't look like a fire.
They cook yours?
Show Ray. Hey Ray, look.
Are you kidding?
Hey, look at this.
You. Wait. Oh, I'm so cool.
Fucking Sophie, get away.
You pussy.
Don't get my lighter. Fuck you, fucking dog, yeah. Yeah, oh well. It didn't break, so it's fine.
Okay, is this finished?
Yeah, I guess.
Okay.
Bye. Look at the ugly dog.